Breaking update coming in. What we are getting to know of another big strike, and this is a school strike that is now being reported in Iran. Now, reports that have been suggesting that the attack on a naval base that went wrong, and the strike that was actually linked to an attack on the IRGC naval base. Unfortunately, a school was hit during a strike nearby. When it comes to this naval base, the target was actually the naval base. Now, the strike seems to have coincided with the attack on the naval base, and the school unfortunately was hit. And this report that has been suggesting that the strike, however, happened on that school, unfortunately. Well, Srinjoy, the US has been maintaining that they will not attack any civilians or civilian infrastructure, but schools have been struck, and that happened on the very first day of the strikes that was reported. Was the actual target the naval base?
Yes, if the school has been struck, this is the second time a school has been struck. The last time, about 100 children were killed in the fighting when the bomb struck the school. We don't know about casualties this time. All we know is that the Iranians have claimed that a school has been struck. This was an attempt to strike a Revolutionary Guard naval base. Instead, a school has been struck, a nearby school, and you would imagine there are casualties, but what the casualties are, how many there are, has not been reported as yet. But we know that the Iranians are saying that a school close to a naval base of the Revolutionary Guard has been struck.
All right. Well, this is a development coming in as far as the actual target was the naval base, but in collateral damage that has now been reported at a school that has been struck during this IRGC base attack that was actually reported.